How to use OneDrive to access your file on any device. Microsoft OneDrive is one of the best cloud storage solutions, making it easy to store and access your documents, photo, video, and more from anywhere. Storing file on OneDrive rather than just to your local hard drives gives you the flexibility to access those file from any connected device, phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. And this is how it work. To start accessing your OneDrive file on another PC, you will need to first sign up for a Microsoft account. In some cases, you will need to install the OneDrive app, but the OneDrive web app is also an option. You can sign up for a Microsoft account at account.microsoft.com. You can get the OneDrive app from the Microsoft Store. The OneDrive website or for Macos user the App Store. However, they are a good change. You already have a Microsoft account and the OneDrive app installed on your PC, especially if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. If that is the case, skip the sign in and installation steps and jump to linking your Microsoft account with OneDrive before sending your file to the cloud. After sending a file to OneDrive on one computer, you can access the file from any other computer. Here are a few ways to access your OneDrive file on another PC. The fastest way to access OneDrive file on another PC is to sign in to OneDrive using a web browser. The fastest way to access OneDrive file on another PC is to sign in to OneDrive using a web browser. You can do this on your Windows, Mac, or computer. Open any web browser on the other PC. Go to OneDrive Live. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This is the same account you use for OneDrive. You will now see your OneDrive file and folder in the web interface. To access a file, click on it to open it in the browser. If it's a documents image X, or right click and choose download to window it to the PC. A more efficiently way to access your OneDrive file on another PC is to use the OneDrive desktop app. The OneDrive app for Windows provides a native experience for browsing and managing your OneDrive files. However, Microsoft dropped support for the official Microsoft Store OneDrive app, pushing people toward the web app. So while you can still use the OneDrive app, the experience is not as seamless as it once was, and you may find the web app is the better option. To set up access to your OneDrive's files locally on a second computer, install the OneDrive app from the Microsoft App Store. Open the OneDrive app and follow the on-screen prompts to install. When prompted, sign in to the OneDrive app using the same Microsoft account you use for OneDrive Online. This link the app to your account. Once synced in, OneDrive will automatically start sensing your file in the background. You can access sensed file through File Explorer. OneDrive will appear as a folder